Welcome back, boys and girls. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope. It's great. It takes the place of the flex hose behind your dryer. Dryer back straight into it. No more flex hose. No more hoping you don't crush it. None of that stuff. So this one, we got a good one. Ooh, and look. Little Christmas present. For any of y'all that have kids, no. With Dora's backpack, you can do it all. But no, check this out. First floor dryer. This one was in bad shape. I hadn't been there in years. So you'll see a dramatic difference in airflow. And then at the end, I wound up replacing their damper. So, because it was in terrible shape too. So y'all get you a drink, Bloody Mary. So get yourself a drink, guys. Sit back, relax. Let's do this. All right. Look at this. Look at that. God. Look at that. Man. Let's go check it out. Oh, man. Nice. All right, now that I cleaned out the lint trap, let's see. 14. Look at that. All right, let's change out this damper. This thing's in, look at this. You know what I mean? Gotta go. And I let the homeowner pick out a paint color. Look at that, it just popped right out. But I let them pick out a color that I think you guys will like. I forgot a screwdriver. Let's see. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, now I gotta smooth out some of this caulk. Get rid of it. And I'll put down my own bead, but I gotta get this off first. Or at least the majority of it. It's cold, man. Brr. I got some of that. I know it's like 28 right now, so that. 20 degrees. So it's a little cold. And I know y'all don't have the best line of vision, but I can't help it. All right, let's drill some holes. Safety goggles. This brick is not strong at all. I mean, it is weak. Golly. Man, it's a weak brick. All right. Let's put some anchors up in here. 2. And I guess hope they line up, right? You never know when these bricks chip like this. Or at least I never know. I don't know about y'all. Alright. Now, what we'll do is come on, cold caulk. All right, and now we just, what, hope for the best? Well, I don't know. Would you look at that? Nice. Oops. Yeah, I think they picked out a good color. I don't know. It'll fade a little bit over time too. I like it. Yeah, you can see, looks good from the outside. I like it. Good. Told you guys, the backpack, all about Dora. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. My views have been down lately. I don't know what's going on. Maybe my message is getting old. I'm not blaming the algorithm or anything like that. I'm gonna blame myself, but I will ask you guys for any help. So if you can like the video, please hit that like button, guys. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Helps me tremendously. I'm still working on some other sponsorships, and of course they want that subscriber account number. So until next time, see you guys. Thank you so much.